And welcome back. Today we are making horenzo no ohitashi. This is a classic Japanese side dish made with spinach. So it's healthy, it's quick, and it's easy to make. So let's get started and make us horenzo no ohitashi.
So for this recipe, all you're going to need is 1 to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, some Bonito flakes or katsuobushi, and then about 100 grams of spinach. So first, what you want to do is wash your spinach. Make sure there's no dirt or anything like that on it. And we're just going to cut off the roots, and then we're just going to cut our spinach in half. That's all we have to do. Now we have our spinach. After that, we're just going to take a pot of water and bring it to a boil. Now we're not going to cook the spinach long today. We're just going to cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes. So let's just put it in our pot. I'm going to get some chopsticks and just move it around a little bit so it doesn't clump together. Now, as I said, we're just going to be cooking this for about 1 or 2 minutes. We're going to bring out some of the color of the spinach and then also keep the texture as well. So after the time's done, it should look something like this. Now we want to stop the spinach from cooking, so we just ran it under some water and blanched it. Look at those colors, they look so good. After that, we're just going to add our soy sauce. You don't have to use all of the soy sauce that you prepared. Mine was about a tablespoon or so. And now we're going to add our Bonito flakes. If you've never had Bonito flakes, I recommend give it a try. I mean, you're already making Japanese food, so let's try something new today.
And that's it. This dish can be made in about 5 minutes. And if you don't like the Bonito flakes on it, you can just substitute it with sesame seeds. I personally like the Bonito flakes. It gives it a nice earthiness and smokiness to this dish. And if you like this recipe and you want to see other Japanese recipes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Mm.